tree that bears the sweetest fruit has stood through many storms. Listen. Oh, I met an elder on an ancient road with dusty sandals and a spirit bowl. No silver ring, no crown to wear, yet heaven's riches rested there. He smiled and said, don't race the wind, a faithful heart will always win. The tallest cedar touched the sky, because its roots refuse to die. Every sunrise writes another page, every trial teaches every age. Hold the truth and let it unfold, for wisdom never grows old. Wisdom never grows old. More precious than diamonds, greater than gold. When Babylon rises, stand brave and be bold. Jah lights the path, wisdom never grows old. Like morning skies, the lion walks without a fear, because Jah's voice is always near. The mountain stands through wind and rain, still reaching high through joy and pain. The river sings from age to age. Life is the greatest teacher's page. Don't trade your soul for shining things. A crown of peace is fit for kings. Lift your brother when he falls. Together we can break these walls. Love is stronger than hate can be. Truth will always set us free. From every valley to Zion's hill, Jah is working miracles still. Wisdom never grows old. More precious than diamonds, greater than gold. When Babylon rises, stand brave and be bold. Jah lights the path, wisdom never grows old. Oh, whoa, oh. The elder's voice rides on the breeze, whispering softly through the trees. Plant good seeds and patiently wait. Jah alone controls your fate. The children dance around the flame, learning every sacred name. Generation after generation, love becomes our foundation. Wisdom never grows old. Its fire keeps burning, never grows cold. From father to son, from daughter to soul, Jah's everlasting story unfolds. Wisdom never grows old. The lion still roars, the trumpet still calls. Stand firm together, united and whole. Wisdom never, never grows old. Whoa, walk in righteousness, walk in humility. Honor the elders, honor Jah, because wisdom never, never grows old. Wisdom never grows old. Oh, Jah, guide the young, honor the elders. The tree that bears the sweetest fruit has stood through many storms. Listen. Da 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 da. Whoa. I met an elder on an ancient road with dusty sandals and a spirit bold. No silver ring, no crown to wear, yet heaven's riches rested there. He smiled and said, don't race to win, a faithful heart will always win. The tallest seed that touched the sky, because its roots refuse to die. Every sunrise writes another page, every trial teaches every age. Hold the truth and let it unfold, for wisdom never grows old. Wisdom never grows old. More precious than diamonds, greater than gold. When Babylon rises, stand brave and be bold. Jah lights the path.
Wisdom never grows old. Wisdom never grows old.
Wisdom never grows old. Flow like the river, strong as the soul.
One love forever.
Let every heart know.
Wisdom never grows old.
Babylon builds with pride and lies, yet truth still shines like morning skies. The lion walks without a fear, because Jah's voice is always near. The mountain stands through wind and rain, still reaching high through joy and pain. The river sings from age to age. Life is the greatest teacher's page. Don't trade your soul for shining things. A crown of peace is fit for kings. Lift your brother when he falls. Together we can break these walls. Love is stronger than hate can be. Truth will always set us free. From every valley to Zion's hill, Jah is working miracles still. Wisdom never grows old. More precious than diamonds, greater than gold. When Babylon rises, stand brave and be bold. Jah lights the path.
Wisdom never grows old.
Oh, yeah. Oh. The elder's voice rides on the breeze, whispering softly through the trees. Plant good seeds and patiently wait. Jah alone controls your fate. The children dance around the flame, learning every sacred name. Generation after generation, love becomes our foundation. Wisdom never grows old. Its fire keeps burning, never grows cold. From father to son, from daughter to soul, Jah's everlasting story unfolds. Wisdom never grows old. The lion still roars, the trumpet still calls. Stand firm together, united and whole.
Wisdom never
Never grows old. sky. An old man walks that dusty road with truth inside a humble soul. His hands bear scars from yesterday, yet Jah kept guiding every step he made. He says, my son, don't chase the gold. The richest heart can never be sold. Every wrinkle tells a story, every trial shaped the way. Stand up on the rock of Zion, don't let Babylon lead you astray. Wisdom never grows old, brighter than silver, stronger than gold. Through every battle, through every storm, Jah keeps the righteous safe and warm. Wisdom never grows old, a burning fire that never grows cold. Pass it on from heart to soul, 'cause wisdom never grows old. Never grows old. Oh, oh. By the river where the lion drinks, truth runs deeper than the world may think. Babylon builds its walls so high, but love and justice never die. A patient seed beneath the ground will one day make the whole earth proud. The tallest tree was once so small, faith keeps standing through it all. Walk with mercy, speak with kindness, lift your brother when he falls. Jah has written in creation, love's the greatest gift of all. Wisdom never grows old, brighter than silver, stronger than gold. Through every battle, through every storm, Jah keeps the righteous safe and warm. Wisdom never grows old, a burning fire that never grows cold. Pass it on from heart to soul, 'cause wisdom never grows old. Never grows old. No crown shines brighter than a peaceful mind. No treasure's greater than the truth you find. The ancient road still leads us home, where every faithful heart belongs. Raise your voice, let unity rise like sunrise breaking through the skies. From every nation, every shore, one love forevermore. Children gather round the elders' flame, learning every lesson in Jah's name. Not by power, not by pride, but by the truth we hold inside. When rivers flow, when mountains stand, Jah still blesses every land. The lion roars, the morning sings, and hope is carried on the wind. Wisdom never grows old, brighter than silver, stronger than gold. Stand together, hand in hand, building peace across the land. Wisdom never grows old, its light will shine when hearts are bold. From generation unto generation, Jah's love remains our foundation. Wisdom never grows old, forever living in every soul. The sun may set, another will rise. Truth still lives beyond our eyes. Walk with Jah wherever you go, for wisdom never grows His hands bear scars from yesterday, yet Jah kept guiding every step he made. He says, my son, don't chase the gold. The richest heart can never be sold. Every wrinkle tells a story, every trial shaped the way. Stand up on the rock of Zion, don't let Babylon lead you astray. Wisdom never grows old, brighter than silver, stronger than gold. Through every battle, through every storm, Jah keeps the righteous safe and warm. Wisdom never grows old, a burning fire that never grows cold. Pass it on from heart to soul, 'cause wisdom never grows old. By the river where the lion drinks, truth runs deeper than the world may think. Babylon builds its walls so high, but love and justice never die. A patient seed beneath the ground will one day make the whole earth proud. The tallest tree was once so small, faith keeps standing through it all. Walk with mercy, speak with kindness, lift your brother when he falls. Jah has written in creation, love's the greatest gift of all. Wisdom never grows old, brighter than silver, stronger than gold. Through every battle, through every storm, Jah keeps the righteous safe and warm. Wisdom never grows old, a burning fire that never grows cold. Pass it on from heart to soul, 'cause wisdom never grows old. No crown shines brighter than a peaceful mind, no treasures greater than the truth you find. The ancient road still leads us home, where every faithful heart belongs. Raise your voice, let unity rise, like sunrise breaking through the skies. From every nation, every shore, one love forevermore. Children gather round the elders' flame, learning every lesson in Jah's name. Not by power, not by pride, but by the truth we hold inside. When rivers flow, when mountains stand, Jah still blesses every land. The lion roars, the morning sings, and hope is carried on the wind. Wisdom never grows old, brighter than silver, stronger than gold. Stand together, hand in hand, building peace across the land. Whoa, wisdom never grows old, its light will shine when hearts are bold. From generation unto generation, Jah's love remains our foundation. Wisdom never grows old, oh, forever living in every soul. The sun may set, another will rise. Truth still lives beyond our eyes. Walk with Jah wherever you go, for wisdom never grows old. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, fire still burns. Every scar carries a lesson learned. The road was rough, yet Jah made a way. Wisdom never fades with yesterday. Wisdom never grows old, no. Stronger than silver, greater than gold. Through every season, through every storm, Jah keeps the righteous steady and warm. The road was rough, yet Jah made a way. Wisdom never fades with yesterday.